Seeing that, man. Come on, Puma. See, I wish I could let her leash go, but she gonna wander off. As we know, she like to live in the bushes. Come on. Y'all see the lizards? Walk a little slower. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And what type of shit? We needed that to happen, you know, good content. Pooh! Come on, you gotta keep up. Both of y'all. Y'all gotta keep up. Come on. You gotta smur it off in this, yeah. The whole, every step. That's what you gotta do. It's a water fountain over there. Come on, Puma. Yeah, you know I got you.
You know what I forgot to bring?
What?
My goddamn liquor.
For what? What time it is? Let's see what time it is. To my lit.
Time to drink.
1:08. It's 1 o'clock. Come on, some lit. Yeah, finna go back to the field. Keep up, Pum. By the time you got out. Yeah.
Oh my, you outside. Got that pink city girl, hot girl, summer collar on.
I might try to go buy some other dogs and see how she'll I want to try to get her up there though.
Get up there first.
This ain't definitely not gonna help her. Come on. Oh,
Let the thing go.
it might.
How about if you put some trees up there?
It's hot. Boom.
Come on.
Trick or treat. Puma. Oh. Come on, Puma. There we go. Good, good.
I'm trying to get their dog back. Yeah, recently, so she. I didn't want to walk up like recording him. Huh? I got all of them.
Look at Puma meeting new dogs.
Hello. You trying to make a girlfriend?
Oh, he's a boy?
Yeah.
What type of dog is?
The dad's a boxer, and then mom, we think she's mostly pit, maybe a little bit of lab.
Yeah, nah, she look unique though.
Oh yeah, he hasn't even dropped
I mean,
yet.
he. For real?
The one behind you is a girl, but her name's Frank.
Frank?
Oh, she's a nut.
She look nice too. She look unique too.
Yeah, she's a beagle and cattle dog.
Yeah, that's
really
hard.
Weird. She got that
That's
tiny
smart,
head,
though.
big body.
She looks like a beagle.
She howls like one too.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
She's like, I'm
What you
sniffing.
looking for?
This is
For real.
She might not want to play like that.
Nah, she plays like that. She's alright.
She's super cute.
Yeah, she just appreciate that. Yeah, this her first time.
Oh, you got boobs.
Without her pat, really. This her first time by herself.
What are you doing?
She got a lot of
Hi,
siblings.
baby.
Yeah, she got,
Oh, dude.
might as well say a brother and sister.
Are you my
She
girlfriend
nice.
now?
What?
What's her name?
Oh, no,
Puma.
she's a little too muscular
Yeah.
for you.
I know.
You gotta put on some pounds.
She could kick your butt.
Nah, he look good. He look in shape.
Yeah, we're trying to. He's only 5 months.
Oh yeah, he a baby.
Yeah, so he's pretty
Yeah, he a
big
baby.
dog.
Yeah, for
It's
real.
that boxer height.
Yeah, for real. You can see.
He's so good.
Yeah, for real. Taller than Puma. She's 10 months.
Yeah, but he's gonna be a beast. Look at
Oh,
those
yeah, but
front
she's
paws.
got
Yeah,
more
for
pit.
real.
She's got more pit, so she's like.
Yeah,
cocky. He's so sweet.
bully breed.
Oh, you gonna get a bath. You're gonna get a bath for sure. I'm gonna get a bath.
What?
You're definitely.
Good girl, Puma. For real.
She's like, it's hot.
Yeah.
I'm not doing this no more.
Yeah, there was 8 in his litter.
Oh, for real?
Yeah,
Dang.
and they're all out and about now.
Yeah, that's
They're
same
not
with
as
her.
big as him though. He's the biggest one.
Dang.
Wasn't his dad huge too?
Yeah, Biscuit, he's huge, and he's the one that looks the most like the dad.
Puma just walked away from me. Walked with her own pack. Cheetah girl and Tarzan, I don't know if she's coming back.
No.